How to use fixed range volume profile in Tradingview. Hi folks, this is Nexus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the fixed range volume profile in Tradingview. So let's get started. So first I'm using a Euro USD chart. I've currently got it on the weekly. Let's assume that you are bearish and you want to time your entry. What we're going to do is use the fixed range volume profile to do this. So first I'm going to pull up the volume profile. If you go to the toolbar right here and you select the forecasting and measurement tools, and right down here you can see the fixed range volume profile. You can of course add it to your favorites. I have, so I've got it all the way down here. Okay, so this is a weekly chart. Let's assume that you were bearish. I'm going to use the replay tool so that this is a bit more precise. I'm going to take away this part of the range. Let's just say that price was around here. So you are bearish. You can see this price leg from here all the way down there. It creates a swing low right here, but you're bearish. So how do you use the volume profile? So first, you would identify a swing high and a swing low. So let's use the fixed range volume profile. And we're going to mark this swing high and this swing low. Now the volume profile doesn't work on a weekly chart, so I'm going to go down to a 4-hour chart. Okay, so we've got the range right here. This is the high, the swing high, and this is the swing low. Okay, let's drag that there. Okay, now right in the middle, where you can see this red line, this is your point of control. So this is the level where you have the imbalance, the strongest point of imbalance between your demand, so people who are trying to buy it, and your supply, people who are trying to sell it. So this is the optimal point, your point of control, where you can then time your trade to go short. So I'm going to use the replay tool to see what actually happens. So price is currently right here. I'm just going to play this real quick. Remember, we're trying to go short at the point of control. So there, price is at the point of control. And then it trades away from it right there. So this is how the fixed range volume profile can be really powerful if you really focus in on the point of control. Now let me show you this same thing, but in a slightly different way. If we go back to the weekly chart, okay. So remember we are short, or we believe it's going to go short. If I just remove the volume bar for now, and we just apply a simple fib. So remember, this was the swing high and the swing low is right here. You can see that also hits your golden range, your between a 61.8 and a 79% ratio. So which is right here. So you've got two interesting things of confluence, right? You've got your fibs and you've also got your volume profile. So to get added security, to get added confidence and dimension to your fixed range volume profile, you can also use your fibs. But that's it, folks. This is how you can use your fixed range of volume profile to time your trades if you have a very strong bias. I hope this video was helpful. Please give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.